A bird with two heads was flying in the sky. The bird looked on the ground. The bird flew toward that fruit on a tree. The bird sat on a tree. One of the head eating the fruit. Wow, this fruit is so sweet. I'm your brother head. Why don't you let me also eat this fruit? The other head of bird felt bad. I have every right to eat it. Next day the bird was flying. The bird looked on the ground. The bird flew toward that fruit on a tree. The bird sat on tree.
Please don't eat this poisonous fruit. If you eat it, both of us will die.
Shut up, since I have this fruit.
One of the second head was eating the poisonous fruit, and both of them died. Moral of the story is sharing of a good thing with others is always good.